that operatives of the service offered bandits bags of seized rice to save themselves from the criminals. He told reporters that the operatives had to offer 7 bags of rice to the bandits.
Can you imagine?
We are not working for only custom. We are working for the nation, and we are working for you people.
They are working for us. They are working for us.
I sacrifice my life to go to do some to enter the bush where the bandits are. If I tell you last time we have encounter with them, to the extent that they are a little bit friendly with us.
Friendly? He said he sacrificed his life. Hey, Jesus.
We seized 37 bags of rice. They say, okay, if we are to go, they have to take 7 bags. We give them 7 bags to save our life. So you see the risk I took.
7 bags of rice for bandits. How did we get here? Good question. Good question. How did we get here? You know, sometimes I just sit down and ask myself, is this country a movie or a miracle? Yes. Because every day, Nigeria will give you one new episode that no Netflix writer can imagine. The kind of film you see in Nigeria, Netflix people have not written it. See this one. This is our own security man. The custom people. The ones that intimidate the ordinary people without guns. These are people who are supposed to protect us. And you heard him say they offered 7 bags of rice to bandits to save their own lives. So 7 bags of rice. They did not offer the bandits bullet, not backup. They did not offer, bring helicopter. What they offered is rice. So now, bandits have food security. Government have insecurity. And citizens, we are just hungry spectators. That is how it is. So, the presenter you saw, that lady, he said, how did we get here? My sister, I don't even know how we got here. I just know we have refused to live here. Now, what I know, we have refused to live here, but I don't know how we got here. You see, every government will come and go, but banditry remains like, he tell us in a Nepalite, bandit don't become permanent. Always blinking and never gone. That's what bandit today now. You see, that custom officer, he did like custom officer, and our soldiers, they deserve national honors. Imagine risking your life carrying gun, wearing uniform, only for one small boy with AK-47 to say, Oga, drop rice before you pass. The customs are they're always armed, but he has to drop the rice before he pass. Hey, even in Boko Haram forest, POS could still work before justice go work in this country. But me would think, if the security men are not negotiating with bandits, who go negotiate for the citizens? Tomorrow now, if you want to travel, you go just here, bandit toll gate, pay 1 bag of rice per person. Can you imagine? What is Nigeria turning into? A kind of place where you must carry food, not faith, not your faith. Because as it seems, prayer not the stop bullet again. We will just die with hope. My people, that presenter asks, how did we get here? I will tell you. Let me finally tell her. We got here when corruption started wearing abada and giving speeches. I don't mention them. We got here when leadership became business. And the bandits became landlords. That is how we got here. And if we don't wake up, let me tell you, we might soon start giving goats and pepper as peace offering to those people. They will start taxing family by family. Meanwhile, one day, it go change. When Nigerians finally realize, say, rice is for eating, not for ransom. Make I just leave this one here. Thank you, my people. Don't forget to like, share, and drop your own rice donation. Drop your rice donation for national peace. So make sure you drop your rice.